So after these founders go to the shoe store, take the pictures, upload them online on the website, and when they sell them, they go back to the shoe store, they buy the shoes, they package them, and then they send them to the customer. So let's illustrate the fact of packaging these shoes. So we need an icon for a box or package. Type package, maybe it's better. And also let's find something in 3D like this. You will see, we will make it slightly more beautiful. In 3D and maybe with some other thing around it, which makes it a bit more beautiful. Oh, for example, this one with the heart, right? Let's take this one with the heart. All right, so go ahead, insert it here. Crop the author credit out, resize it, and let's, first of all, we will put it here in the middle, because you will see we will animate it in a beautiful way. But for now we need to create it first. So first of all, do this completely white. Don't do the artistic effects here, because once you will resize it afterwards, it might not keep the effects. So just put the contrast maximum to 100 to make this box white. And now let's fill up this empty space here to make it seem like it's a 3D box. So here we need to be a bit creative. So go and insert shapes and choose here freeform shape. So now you can create a shape whichever you want. So do like this. Stay basically exactly on the border of this box. Do this shape here. Don't worry about the fact that it's not very beautiful. And do exactly the same for all the other sides. Like this. This one here can be a bit more complicated because you need to go around the heart. Yep, like this. All right. And finally, the heart itself. Okay. So now we need to change the colors of these things. Wait, I actually see that here it doesn't. You can see the transparency a bit. So let me make it bigger, like this. Okay. So first of all, select all of them and take out the outline. No outline. And now, in order for this to seem like a 3D box, remember we put a shadow to these pictures. So it seems as if the light was coming from here, from the left. So this surface here has to be brighter than this two. So let's find a good color for this. Let's say this blue. Now let's say this blue here. And that's two ones here, a darker variation of this blue. Yeah, something like this, slightly darker. And the heart here, well, obviously, let's make it, I don't know, pink. Yeah, it doesn't fit. A slightly pale pink like this. Yeah, this is better. Okay. So now what we have to do is, first of all, group all these objects together, including the box. Okay, right click, group. And now we need to send back all these shapes. So click on them once they are grouped, right click, send to back, send to back, send to back, send to back. Okay, now we have our box here, and just for fun, let's also add a picture of the shoes on this side here, so it's clearly understandable that these shoes are inside this box. Okay, so copy this here, put it here, rotate it obviously, so it fits the perspective, and then make it smaller. And even more small, like this. Okay, and group it together with everything else. All right, so we have our box, with the shoes inside, and this box will be positioned here, but don't worry, we will do the animations later, like I already explained. So that's the box.